Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download email campaigns from Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. To download email campaigns from Mailchimp, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located on the left sidebar. You'll see a list of your campaigns. Find the campaign you wish to download. Click on the name of the campaign to open its details. On the Campaign Details page, look for the Reports section. In this section, you will find an overview of the campaign's performance. Scroll through to locate the download option for the campaign. Click on the Download button. A drop-down menu will appear with different file formats. Choose the format that suits your needs, such as PDF or HTML. After selecting the desired format, the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, check your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to verify that the content is correct. If needed, you can also save the file in a specific location on your device. Repeat these steps for any other campaigns you wish to download. By following these instructions, you can easily retrieve your email campaigns from Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.